Hey everyone, you're planning a trip to the UK, or maybe you're already there. You need a convenient, hassle-free way to manage your money. You've heard about Monzo, the popular digital bank known for its sleek app and fee-free international spending. But can you actually open a Monzo account if you're not a UK resident? Hook. Today, we're diving into that very question. Can I open a Monzo account from abroad? Let's find out. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Monzo is all about. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including a debit card, budgeting tools, and international money transfers. One of its biggest selling points is its fee-free international spending, making it a popular choice for travelers. Addressing the main question. Now, let's tackle the million-dollar question. Can you open a Monzo account from abroad? The short answer is, it depends. UK residency. The primary requirement for opening a Monzo account is UK residency. This means you need to have a permanent address in the UK. If you're just visiting or temporarily living there, you won't be able to open an account. Student visa. However, there's a potential exception. If you're a student with a valid student visa, you may be able to open a Monzo account. This is because students often need a convenient way to manage their finances while studying in the UK. Additional considerations. Even if you meet the residency or student visa requirements, there are a few other factors to consider. Identity verification. Monzo will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves providing documents like a passport and proof of address. If you're not physically in the UK, you might need to find alternative ways to verify your identity. Account limitations. Depending on your circumstances, there may be limitations on the types of accounts or services you can access. For example, you might not be able to open a joint account or apply for a loan. Alternatives for non-residents. If you're unable to open a Monzo account due to residency restrictions, don't worry. There are other options available. Revolut. Similar to Monzo, Revolut is a popular digital bank that offers fee-free international spending. While it's not specifically designed for UK residents, it's a great alternative if you can't open a Monzo account. TransferWise. If you're primarily interested in international money transfers, TransferWise is a great option. It offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Local banks. If you're planning a long-term stay in the UK, consider opening an account with a local bank. While you might face some initial hurdles, having a local bank account can be beneficial for managing your finances and building a credit history. Conclusion. So, can you open a Monzo account from abroad? Unfortunately, it's not typically possible unless you're a UK resident or a student with a valid visa. However, there are plenty of other options available, including Revolut, TransferWise, and local banks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.